Hello guys, my name is Francisco. I'm a service advisor here at California Harley, and I'm here to talk to you today about our stage kits and our promotions that we have going on. Starting with the stage 1 kit is the intake and the exhaust, plus the tuning. It increases performance up to 10% throughout the entire RPM range. You have a variety of shapes and styles for your air cleaner and exhaust system. The slip-ons that we can put on, you have improved sound and a customized look. We have 15% off for parts and labor for the stage 1. The stage 2 is a cam upgrade. The cam is what pushes on the push rods that opens up the valves. The longer you have the valves open, the more air, the more fuel you're gonna get, which equals to more power. There's two types of cams that we have the options for. We have a power cam and we have a torque cam. The power cam will come in the higher RPM. The torque cam comes in at the lower RPMs. You can get up to 30% increased horsepower and 10% increase in torque. We have a 25% off parts and labor on our stage 2 kits. The stage 3 kit is the stage 2 plus the cylinders and the pistons. You get more air and more fuel into the engine, which increases the compression ratio and resulting in more power and combustion. Stage 3, you get 24% more torque and up to 39% more horsepower. We have 20% off parts and labor on our stage 3 kits. Lastly is the stage 4 kit. The stage 4 tops it all off. The stage 4 is the stage 3, plus you also get your heads and your throttle body. With the stage 4 kit, you get up to 24% improvement of torque and up to 50% of horsepower. We have 20% off on parts and labor on our stage 4 kits. We're offering anywhere between 15 to 25% off our stage kits, so call California Harley today to schedule your appointment.